Welcome to Decor Pro 2.
In the dynamic world of home decoration, modern interior design stands out with its clean lines, minimalistic approach, and vibrant use of color. The essence of modern decor is centered around function and simplicity, allowing each element of a space to serve a purpose while also contributing to the overall aesthetic. Here are some key features and ideas to consider when decorating a modern home interior. Open spaces. One of the hallmarks of modern interior design is the use of open floor plans. Removing unnecessary walls creates a sense of spaciousness and fluidity among different areas of a home. Living rooms flow effortlessly into dining areas and kitchens, promoting a welcoming environment that is perfect for socializing and family gatherings. To further enhance this open feeling, consider using large windows or glass doors to invite natural lighting. Color palette. Modern decor often employs a neutral color palette, with shades like whites, grays, beiges, and blacks. These tones provide a calming backdrop that allows other design elements to stand out. However, pops of color through artwork, decorative pillows, or accent walls can add personality to a space. Bold colors, such as deep blues, emerald greens, or even cheerful yellows, can create focal points and energize the overall atmosphere. Furniture selection. When it comes to furniture in a modern home, function and form should come together seamlessly. Look for furniture pieces that are sleek and simple, often featuring geometric shapes and smooth surfaces. Materials such as metal, glass, and high-quality woods dominate the scene, providing durability along with contemporary style. Modular furniture is also a great consideration, as it allows flexibility in arrangements, making it ideal for open spaces. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern interior design. Unique light fixtures can serve as focal points, adding both functionality and artistic value. Think of pendant lights, oversized floor lamps, or sculptural chandeliers that can become conversation starters. In addition, using layered lighting, a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting, can create a warm and inviting environment while maintaining the sleek aesthetic. Incorporating nature. Bringing elements of nature indoors is an essential aspect of modern design. This can be achieved through the use of indoor plants, natural materials, or large windows that blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. The presence of greenery not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a room but also contributes to better air quality and a calming atmosphere. Minimalistic accessories. In keeping with the modern aesthetic, accessories and decorative items should be kept to a minimum. Choose a few high-quality pieces instead of overcrowding spaces with knickknacks. Think large-scale art pieces, elegant vases, or a well-placed sculpture. These items should reflect personal style without overwhelming the space, maintaining the principle of less is more. Modern interior home decor is all about creating a space that is not only beautiful but functional and reflective of personal aesthetics. By embracing open floor plans, neutral color palettes with accent colors, sleek furniture, statement lighting, natural elements, and minimalistic accessories, homeowners can achieve a harmonious and inviting environment. The goal is to design a home that serves its inhabitants well while also being a visual delight. With these guidelines, anyone can embark on a journey to create their own modern sanctuary. Modern kitchens. In modern homes, kitchens are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. An essential trend in contemporary kitchens is the use of open shelving, which allows for easy access to frequently used items while also providing an opportunity to showcase beautiful dishware in decorative containers. sleek cabinetry with minimalist handles and built-in appliances creates a cohesive look that emphasizes simplicity. Countertops made of durable materials like quartz or granite not only enhance aesthetics but also provide practical surfaces for meal preparation. Additionally, incorporating an island can be an excellent choice. It serves as a workspace, a dining area, and a social hub where family and friends can gather. Bright and efficient lighting is crucial in these spaces, so consider using pendant lights or recessed lighting to create an inviting atmosphere. Modern technology also plays a significant role in today's kitchens. Smart appliances, such as touchless faucets and Wi-Fi-enabled refrigerators, improve convenience and efficiency, making cooking and meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Modern bathrooms. When it comes to modern bathrooms, the focus is on creating a space that embodies both simplicity and luxury. Key features include floating vanities that provide a sleek aesthetic while maximizing floor space and frameless glass showers that open up the area visually. The use of neutral colors, paired with natural stone tiles or textured finishes, creates a serene, spa-like environment. Large mirrors not only enhance light but also help create the illusion of a larger space, making the bathroom feel more expansive. To elevate comfort, consider installing heated floors and smart technology that adjusts settings such as lighting and temperature based on personal preferences. Adding elements of nature, like small plants or succulents, can also introduce a refreshing touch to the space. Additionally, modern bathrooms often incorporate luxurious features such as freestanding bathtubs that serve as statement pieces and provide a relaxing retreat within the home. Water-efficient fixtures and eco-friendly materials reflect an increasing trend towards sustainability without compromising style. Conclusion. In summary, modern interior home decor encompasses a variety of elements that prioritize functionality, aesthetics, and personal expression. By integrating open spaces, a harmonious color palette, sleek furniture, distinctive lighting, and natural elements, homeowners can create inviting environments throughout their homes. The significance of modern kitchens and bathrooms cannot be understated, as they contribute greatly to the overall appeal and functionality of a home. With these ideas and inspirations, anyone can embark on a journey to transform their dwelling into a contemporary haven that meets their needs while reflecting their unique style. Embrace the modern ethos of simplicity and elegance, and let your home become a true reflection of your personality and lifestyle.